In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the email addresses of students in Google Classroom. This could be quite useful for teachers and educators seeking to streamline their communication with students. So grab your device and let's jump right in. First things first, open your favorite web browser and type in classroom.google.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign in with your Google account. Make sure it's the account that's associated with your class. Now you should be on your main Google Classroom dashboard where all your classes are displayed. Next, look for the specific class where you want to find the email addresses. Click on the title of this class. This will take you into the class view, where you'll see options like Stream, Classwork, and People at the top. What we're interested in today is the People tab. So locate that tab at the top of the page and click on it. Once you're in the People section, you'll see a list of everyone enrolled in your class. This includes both students and teachers. As you look through the list, the student names will be prominently displayed here. Now, if everything's set up correctly, you should be able to see the email addresses of the students right next to their names. This makes it super easy to contact them directly or copy down their email addresses for later use. However, in some instances, the email addresses might not be immediately visible. But don't worry, if that's the case, find the student name you're interested in and look for 3 vertical dots next to it. This is usually referred to as the More Options button. Click on those dots and from the drop-down menu select Email. This option will allow you to view or initiate an email to the student directly from this interface. It's important to note that the visibility of these email addresses can vary. The settings depend on your school's Google Workspace configurations, so if you're unable to see the email addresses despite following these steps, it might be due to restrictions set by your school administrator. In that case, the best course of action is to reach out to your administrator to request the necessary access or information. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to access student emails through Google Classroom. This process should take no more than 5 minutes once you get the hang of it, and can significantly enhance your ability to connect and communicate effectively with your students. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to explore our channel for more tips and tricks. Happy teaching!